Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into RedNote. If you already have a RedNote account and want to sign in, the process is quick and easy. So to get started, you need to open the RedNote app on a device. So from here you need to select any of the option on the screen, as I'm going to select continue with Google. You can select any of it as you have previously created an account with. And after that you need to select continue in order to sign back into your account. And after that, RedNote will sign you in and take you to the app's home screen where you can browse content, follow creators, and manage your profile. And that is it. That's how you can log into your RedNote account. Once you're signed in, you'll have full access to your profile and all of the RedNote's features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.